What's going on, everybody? Well, as you can see, if you can, we're in full leathers today, and it's hot as flex. So I don't know how far we're gonna ride. I just wanted to kind of test out the new gear. I do have on I've got on full leathers, boots, pants, jacket, and underneath the jacket we are rolling with the brand new Alpine Stars Alpine Stars Tech Air 5, and it's gonna be interesting. Okay, so pretty interesting with the pants. Now, I was just gonna roll with the with my hoodie over the Alpine Stars, but I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to try out all the gear right away. Kind of give it a good little run. Stop up here real quick. Tech Air 5, man, you really don't even realize that you got it on, honestly. Oh shit, I'm in second gear. I keep forgetting that I'm in GP shift. Hopefully the mic sounds good. I don't know how it's gonna sound till after this ride. I don't know where the trying to hit the little sunshade on this thing. I do have the air vents open in this, so not sure how that's gonna sound. Hopefully I don't lose this camera. I didn't put a tether on it yet. I just now realized that, so take it easy. I do have pretty good confidence that it's gonna stay stuck on, simply because I got the Subaru on there. Everything sounds so different though, because I'm also rocking the new KYT helmet too, so everything sounds a lot different. I kind of feel like it's a little more noisy than the HJC. Feels good. I don't like is the mic 2 is like right up on my chin. I need to make some adjustments. Gotta make some adjustments. Don't have the helmet locked, and did that by design. Hey, what's good, man? I love that Mustang. I think that's a 2013 or 2014, right before they had switched to the newer body style. One thing I do like, I am getting airflow through the jacket. I don't know how. I have no idea how, but I do have the shade on, and it's working pretty good. I think like it's working pretty damn good, honestly. I ain't gonna lie though, it is hot. It is super hot. It's a bad intersection, so I gotta watch out. Motherfuckers don't like the Suzuki going today, boy. It's windy as hell. Blew the camera all the way back. Woo, it's hot. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm a little nervous about taking the hoodie off while I still got the tech vest on. I would think that it's smart enough to know that you're not like moving at speed and shit, but yo, that's what's up. It is super duper hot, dude. That's why I came back. We're gonna have to wait till like later when the sun starts to go down a little bit. I literally had to come back. It's so hot. Now let's take all this off, the fun part. Yeah, with the hoodie, I would think, like I said, that it is much easier to, hopefully it doesn't like engage or think that you're doing something weird. That's the only reason why I didn't wear the hoodie. But I like just having the jacket on over it, because all you gotta do is unzip it and disconnect the magnet, and it starts to vibrate to let you know that it's disengaged. So my only issue is with the hoodie, you would have to like reach up under the hoodie maybe to try to get it unzipped, and then disconnect the magnet that kind of is like a clasp that holds it together. But woo, I will say This jacket, that jacket is serious, bro. I don't know why people talk bad about Noru. I've seen people talk about Noru and say like, oh, it's cheap gear, it's not worth it, get yourself an Alpine Star, still got fuzz on it because it's new out the package. All that stuff like, oh, you know, if you don't, you know, most people are like gearheads, so they're like, if it ain't Alpine Stars or like, I don't know what's another good one, like Sadesi or what's the other one that starts with a D? Everybody goes Dionysi or something like that, then you're not really wearing good quality gear, right? That's what they always say. So I would say they're wrong. They're wrong. This thing is so heavy and it works. I don't feel like a superhero, but damn it, I feel like I'm super protected, man. And I just got my first shout out, man, while I was on the road. Somebody was like, shoot, dude looking good, man. So it's definitely worth it. I think I got this jacket for like $116, man. It was on sale. Shout out to motosports.com, man. Really good gear. I'm gonna take this off so you guys can see it while it's off. So there is the Tech 5. So there it is, all of its glory. Again, it fits like a shirt. I got a shirt on underneath as well, my fringes, to stay safe. Today's Shabbat, so I ain't gonna do too much riding until after Shabbat. But yeah, man, like with that, I think you will feel even, I think if I feel even more comfortable with just the hoodie when it's so damn hot outside. And if you're really feeling brave, you know, you just wear this over your t-shirt, but I wouldn't recommend, I would recommend wearing something a little over it. But man, oh my gosh. The pants don't feel as bad. Oh, that's why you can feel the airflow. I didn't realize it had all the little pinholes in there. That's why I was feeling airflow when I was riding on my thighs. Helps you stay cool for sure. I need to get some gym pants or something like that to wear underneath these to kind of keep the sweat to a minimum. But man, damn, dude, the best money that I spent. And you know what? The most expensive thing was the tech vest, man. So with this, the pants and the jacket was a grand total of like $1,000. The grand total of $1,000. I had already gotten the boots before. The boots were on sale for $99 at the time. I don't know if they've gone up or not, but I got pretty much a whole Noru fit on except the gloves. All right, those gloves are Alpine Stars. I painted them to make them color changing. What's the matter, babe? I colored them to make them color changing. I love the way they came out. When it's super hot, they're thermal. When it's super hot, they turn green, and they go from black to plum, purple to green when it's at its hottest. So that's why they're green right now. But damn, man, I'm telling you, what a significant difference, man. I definitely feel protected out there. I don't think we're gonna be doing too many summer days with all this gear on. Like I said, I wasn't even gonna wear the jacket, but hey, I wanted to try everything on just to see how it feels in the hottest part of the day, and it's hot. It's very, very hot. My face is sweating. It's so hot. The helmet feels much different. I guess because I'm just used to the HJC, but the helmet feels much different. It's got it feels a little louder. I think because the HJC was so big and bubbly, like it blocked out a lot of stuff. Because it's like a touring helmet versus, I think it's a touring helmet versus like a kind of like a race type helmet. So you definitely hear more noise. The Cardo speakers don't sound as loud because, like I said, this is more race oriented. So I have that thing cranked up all the way, and when you're standing still or not going fast at all, it definitely, you can hear it louder. When you're going at higher speeds, you can't hear it as much as I could in my HJC. So that's another thing. One thing I do like is that I can ride at night without having to switch my visor, because it has this little smoke. It has this smoke thing in there, which is really, really cool. That comes down and then you can literally pop it back up. So I think that's pretty dope. That way you don't have to just like have a damn clear ass visor on your during this bright ass sun. So it came through pretty damn good. It came through pretty good. Again, first little ride, man. This thing worth every single penny, guys. Go out and get yourself a Tech 5. I would get the plasma. I ended up getting the plasma simply because it was the newer one, and it sounded like it made significant upgrades over the last regular Tech Air 5, and it's worth it. Every single penny, man. I have no affiliate codes for this. It doesn't even matter. Just go get you one, man. You're gonna feel a lot better riding on the street knowing you have a little bit more, especially if you're squidding it and you're just riding in regular jeans. But if you got some MBTs or some, you know, something, and you got boots, and you just feel like wearing a hoodie, get you one of these, man. This is gonna make you feel way more safe, man. The only reason why, like I said, I wanted to go with full leathers is because it has extra shoulder protection. So does this, and this goes down past the shoulder pads on this, so it gives you a little bit more on the bicep. And then again, you know, with the leather, even if you go down, you know, you're gonna be saving your skin a little more. This right here, I think if you were to go down with the hoodie, that's weird. Why did they do that? If you go down there with the hoodie, if you go down with a hoodie, you're gonna be protected in these areas, but the rest of these, like this mesh, allows you to breathe. That ain't gonna do anything for you. The only thing that's gonna help you is the back, where you have the chest protector. I mean, the back protector on here. That's gonna help you if you're in a hoodie. Everything else that's like really thin, that's gonna get torn up. So, you know, you won't be as protected in a hoodie, but damn it, you'll be a little bit more protected than if you had nothing on under that hoodie besides a regular shirt. So, you know, you're still protected. I think this is the perfect thing. Every rider on the street needs this. All those guys that are going super fast, like, you know, Z10, you know, ZX Mez, all those guys, man, fast flows, they honestly, they should be talking people into getting one of these, and they should be using this themselves. Honestly, it's gonna make everybody a little safer. And I think if those guys start promoting it, definitely everybody's gonna ride a little bit more safer. You know what I mean? They're gonna be more protected than just with an armored hoodie or a regular hoodie. If you have an armored hoodie, this is gonna be even better. You know what I mean? You're gonna be even more protected than just a regular hoodie. So anyways, I'm done rambling, guys. First test review with all the new gear. Absolutely amazed. Absolutely amazed. We got, like I said, we got the helmet, Tech Air 5 plasma, new jacket, new pants, semi-new boots. Let's go.